Good evening. We're going to have a presentation this evening that I'm going to demonstrate the advantages of Word in a mail merge. My name is Gary Jahorek. I work at the College of Nursing. I am an administrative assistant. You in the audience are other types of administrative assistants, and I thought this would be a wonderful presentation to assist you in creating quicker and faster mailings. We're going to describe what a mail merge is, how it will help you. We're going to demonstrate and we're going to practice. I'm going to give you an example of a mail merge going through the steps. We're going to do a review of what we are actually talking about, and there's going to be an evaluation at the end of the item, at the end of the presentation. The purpose of my presentation this evening is to inform and persuade you that mail merge is a good thing. You can create a mass mailing very, very quickly with very, very little effort. What is a mail merge? A mail merge is a tool used in the Word suite along with Access and Excel as the database for the information is where it's going to be pulled from. You can create a mass mailing. Letters, labels, or envelopes are available to be created through this process. How will a mail merge assist you? It will shorten the amount of time. You'll be able to personalize a lot of letters very, very quickly, a lot less work. And the same data that you have in Excel or Access will give you multiple uses for different types of mailings. It's not just one letter and oh my God, I have to do this all over again. Today we're going to practice using this laptop that I have a mail merge list data already set up. I have a letter template that we're going to use, and we're going to complete a mail merge. At the end of this presentation, I hope my goal will be that I will show you how to maneuver through Word, that you'll be able to input the data fields in the right places and create that mail merge when we're completed. What I'm going to do now is go to the letter that I have as a template, and we're going to create a mail merge. With the 2007 edition, you begin with the mailings on the ribbon at the top. You then start and select Start Mail Merge. Step-by-step wizard is where you would slide down to. We have a letter already open. We're going to create a letter over here. You also have options for envelopes and labels and other items over here that we're not going to discuss this evening. We're going to start on this document. What we do is we're going to select the recipients. We're going to go out and get the database where the information is located. I have that on a stick. I'm going to go grab that right now. And I'm going to show you. It's the column headings within the Excel document or the table in your Access document that you actually use for fields that you're going to insert. You also have the option to select multiple people. Here's a key at the top that you can click on or off, which will eliminate all or turn them all back on. If you want to select some people not to be included in the mailing, you would click them out just by clicking the check mark off. When you're done selecting the group of people that you want to send the letters to, you click OK. At this point in time, we're going to now write our letter. We come down here and we begin. More items is the next step. Here are the same data fields that were in the Excel document. We're going to start inserting those. We're going to start with the first name. We're going to begin again last name. We're going to move down to the address line. We're going to move down to the city, state, and zip. And you can see I'm repeating the same process over and over again. City, comma, space, more items, state, insert, close, comma, space, more items, zip, insert, close. We're going to personalize the letter informally by putting in a first name, dear, whomever it may be. Here we have all the mail merge fields in the document. We can align them any way we want to make sure that they're in the right positions on our letter. At this point in time, I'm going to preview to make sure that we have the fields in the right place and the names in the right place and all of the data fields in the correct order. This looks pretty good. Next, I'm going to complete the merge. I'm going to edit the individual letters. And since we've already deselected and selected the items, the people that we don't want to mail to, we can just say, I'm going to send all letters and create them all. At this point in time, with that quick flash, if you look in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, we've already created one of 12 letters. At this point in time, I usually will scroll through to make sure that all of the fields have been properly inputted in the database to make sure that there aren't any typographical errors at this point in time, and still go through the items in the letter if there's a minimum amount of letters. At this point in time, I will usually file Save As, and I will just save my document so I don't lose the mail merge. That's it. We've just completed mail merge. It's that simple. And we have 12 letters completely done at this point in time. Again, I'm going to review that the purpose of this presentation was to inform and persuade you that Word as a mail merge is a great feature. You can do a very quick mass mailing very, very quickly. Again, my goal was to show you how to maneuver through Word, putting in the data fields where necessary from either Access or Excel. Both types of tables will work, and you will be able to map these fields and create a mail merge. To recap our session, I've explained what a mail merge is. I've showed you pretty much how to walk through and create your mail merge. I've reviewed the steps necessary: inserting your fields, creating the fields in the document, and then doing the mail merge itself, and showed you how quickly this mail merge will actually work. When we are done here with this presentation, I will have a handout for you ready so that you can take it back to your desk. You will be able to walk through with this handout, showing you step by step. If you happen to get stuck, I'll be more than happy to come over and work with you to get through the process. And my questions are, do you have any? Do you have any questions this evening? Hopefully I've answered most of your questions during the course of my handout that I prepared for you. And if not, please give me a call. I'll be more than happy to help. At this point in time, I'm going to send out a survey. Please tell me if I was effective or not. And thank you for attending our session this evening on Word Mail Merge and its features. Thank you for attending. Bye-bye.